Hey math lovers, I'm back. Let's finish today's notes. Last two problems I want to do here. I have one is less than 2x plus 3, which is less than 9. You've got a couple ways you could go ahead and do this problem. Personally, I like to just go ahead and solve it all together, noticing that there's only one x in the middle. Okay, I could go ahead and subtract the 3 from all the parts here. The 3's would fall out, so I have negative 2 is less than 2x, which is less than 6. Divide everything here by 2, and I would have, let's see, negative 1 is less than x, which is less than 3. Totally fine, all right? Another way you could go ahead and do that problem is setting up a grouping. You could do 1 is less than 2x plus 3, and, all right, very important you have the and there, 2x plus 3 is less than 9. Sometimes you're going to have to go ahead and you're going to have to solve the problem this way. All right, you're not always going to be able to just solve it like, you know, two separate rows here. All right, so do the same thing. Negative 2 is less than 2x, so x is greater than negative 1. And do you notice how I'm stressing that? Bring the 3 over. 2x is less than 6, so x is less than 3. So this is how I would write it. Same exact thing as what I have over here. Now, depending on how they want you to give your answer, you can give it as a graph. Obviously, that would be, or I'm sorry, it's a graph, negative 3. Oh gosh, negative 1, sorry, negative 1. I'm all flustered because my phone's running out of battery. You know how you get distracted by something? So that's what's distracting me. I feel like I'm playing beat the clock here. You know, trying to get this problem set in before my phone runs out of battery. That would be terrible. All right, so I could give it as a graph, I could give it as a set of inequalities, or I could give it as interval notation. That's totally up to you, all right? Last problem I want to work with you today is number 111 from your textbook. It says you're considering 2 job offers. The first job pays you $13.50 per hour. The second job pays $9 per hour plus 75 cents per unit produced per hour. Write an inequality yielding the number of units X that you must be produced per hour to make the second job pay greater hourly wage. Solve the job. All right, so they want to know when is the second job, right? When is the second job greater? So I'm saying here I've got job 1 and job 2. I'm going to start this way. I'm going to say when is the second job greater? The first job is just $13.50. That's easy enough, right? That's easy enough. The second job, I'm going to make $9 an hour. Do I know how many hours I'm working? No, I don't know how many hours. All right. And then 75 cents per unit, right? So 0.75 times X. So let's bring the 9 over. If I bring the 9 over, I've got 450, which is less than 0.75X. Divide both sides by 0.75. X has got to be greater than 6. All right, so I guess we're thinking about how many are we producing, right? How many of these are, items, whatever you're talking about, were those units? So I would have to say produce more than. So I'd say more than 6 units to make job 2 pay more. Okay. All right, so it's like you're getting a commission for how much you're going to go ahead and you're going to make. All right, so have fun with your problem set. That's lesson 1.5. I think I made it. My phone has not crashed yet. It's definitely time to go plug it in. Have fun with your problem set.